In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PageFly for Shopify. PageFly is a powerful drag-and-drop page builder that helps you design custom pages for your Shopify store without touching code. Whether you're building a landing page, a product page, or a simple informational page, this walkthrough will get you comfortable with the basics so you can start creating right away. Begin by opening your Shopify store and signing into your admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. This is where you manage and add tools that extend your store's functionality. In the Apps area, use the search to find PageFly. When you see the PageFly app listing, open it to review what it offers. You'll notice options and features described there, along with plan details. Many users start on the free tier while they learn. Next, click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions PageFly needs in order to work with your store pages. Review those and confirm to proceed. The installation usually takes just a moment, and when it completes, you'll be taken into the PageFly interface. Inside PageFly, look under the Pages section. Here, you'll have two main choices: Create Blank Page or Create from Template. Pick the option that fits how you like to work. Templates are great if you want a head start with a professionally structured layout. A blank page is ideal if you prefer full control and want to build from the ground up. If you choose Create Blank Page, you'll see options to select the type of page you want to make. Choose the one that best matches your goal, then give your page a clear name so you can easily find it later. After that, you'll move into the editor, where the fun begins. From here, customize the page to match your brand. Drag in elements like headings, text, images, buttons, and forms. Build structure with sections, rows, and columns, then fine-tune spacing, alignment, and typography using the styling panel. Keep your images optimized so pages load quickly and stay consistent with your store's colors and fonts for a polished look. Switch between desktop and mobile views to make sure everything reads well on smaller screens. If you started from a template, you can still replace content, rearrange blocks, and adjust styles to make it uniquely yours. Save your progress frequently as you iterate and refine. That's it. Now you know how to install PageFly, choose your starting point, and customize your page layout with confidence. Explore the element library, experiment with layouts, and keep refining until your design feels just right. Happy building!